Hey guys, we are on Unit 9, Day 2, and our warm-up says simplify using positive exponents only. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at that top, okay? And we have a 5 out here, but what we have to realize inside is that we have a numerical base of 2 that needs to be raised to that 5, and a variable base of x to the 3/5 also needs to be raised to that 5. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it as 2 to the 5th. And then I'm going to have x to the 3/5 to the 5th. All right. In my calculator, 2 to the 5th becomes 32. And right here, when you have an exponent raised to an exponent, you multiply them. And 3/5 times 5 is actually just x to the 3rd. Okay, 3/5 times 5 is 3. All right, so the top has been cleaned up. Okay, now our job is to focus on what do we have here on the bottom. Okay. And what I noticed first is that I have a negative exponent, and I don't really care for negative exponents. So you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take that x to the -6. That -6 is not on the 8. There's no parentheses grouping, okay? So right here is x to the -6. That is the only thing raised to that negative exponent power. And I'm going to move it back to the top where it's going to become a +6. So over here in my top here, I'm going to add x to the 6 on the top there and just extend my line a little bit. That 8's going to stay on the bottom. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take a look at my coefficients. 32 divided by 8 is 4. Up here on top, because that's multiplication between there, the exponents get added, and that's going to be x to the 9th. And there's my answer. Okay, all right, I'll see you guys on Day 2 notes.